And now, we will go to the different types of accommodation. The first type is the hotel. These are the most significant, visible, and recognizable of all the types of accommodations. The higher the quality of the amenities, facilities, and services of a hotel, the higher its ratings, and which also comes with a higher price or rate. The next is the guest house, bed and breakfast, or Airbnb that offer a home type of environment which is cozier and lends a more personal touch. Meals in the form of light snacks are generally available. Check-in and check-out operations are generally handled by a limited number of employees or the owner themselves. The other type is the resort, which is available for more than just a place to stay but exists to serve a purpose. Recreational facilities and amenities are normally present in the purpose of enjoining tourists to come and spend their time in the establishment. We are now in motels, or a blended word for motor and hotels, that are useful for people who travel long distances on the road and use their own personal vehicles, as these located normally at intervals where travelers could opt to check in and rest for the night or longer. The other type are the self-catering accommodations like apartments, villas, and cottages that are generally designed for an extended stay. These facilities have provisions for a working kitchen and a den similar to home. The next is the medical accommodation, or what we call the medical or medical hotel. This is for people who travel to seek medical treatment that usually seek amenities that have the comfort of a hotel. This includes the hotel-like conditions of their companions. The other type of accommodation are the campus accommodations, or commonly known as dormitory. These accommodations are designed to cater students. And the last type of accommodation are the camping or caravan sites. This type of accommodations is for the tourists who want to be adventurous and commune with nature. A minimal fee is charged for the maintenance of facilities and for keeping the areas clean. Thank you for joining me today. Happy learning, everyone!